You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. I know there's a lot of confusion out there because yes, there are two different correct pronunciations. We're going to look at the difference here. The British English pronunciation, the way it's pronounced in the UK and quite a few other countries, I believe Australia, New Zealand, India, and so on, is as carry, the verb to carry. Now, the American English pronunciation in the US is as carry. Yes, this is why you hear some people say carry, others carry. If you've been influenced by American English pronunciation, you might say carry. This is also a correct pronunciation, carry or carry. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.